Oh my gosh, check out that door. More cool doors. Good morning, everybody. I want you to meet my new friends. I made it to Tecozautla last night. And this is everybody. Hi. Hello. Laura.
Yes.
Is Joel or Joel?
Joel.
Yeah, Joel's sister.
Jose Luis.
And Marie Cruz.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
We're going to San Miguel de Allende.
Okay.
Passing Tecozautla.
And you're gonna ride with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Part of the way.
Yeah. We'll ride together. Yeah. That's right. So we have an accident here, so we should avoid that road.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the parallel road.
This one. Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to here,
Mm-hmm.
the intersection, the Chilos intersection.
And you have a meeting?
Yeah, I
Okay.
have a meeting here. So
it's right on your way. You can go to your meeting, and then I can go on to San Miguel.
yeah, that's right.
Excellent.
So from here to San Miguel, it's like half an hour road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent plan. There's Trinity and Joel's motorcycle. He rides a KLR 650. This is a beautiful place. Look at their amazing home, beautiful garden. They opened their home to me. We were total strangers 2 weeks ago. We just happened to be on the same little Facebook group called Bunk-a-Biker and connected. And he was right on the way and offered me a place to stay. They fed me. It's just been an unbelievable experience. I can't thank Joel and his family enough for the wonderful time. An amazing time in Tecozautla. Man, I'm having a hard time with some of these names. But Joel up here is in front of me, and he's going to ride part of the way with me. And on our way, we're going to just stop at the market. Check it out. Today's market day. Such a colorful little town. Off the beaten path. Buenos dias. Looks like some kids going to music lessons. Never would have found this little gem if I hadn't connected with Joel. I owe him a huge debt of gratitude. I wanted to get a video of him. Man, I wish video could capture smells. Unbelievable, all these little street side vendors just cooking up breakfast and frying this, and just smells like heaven. I'd probably gain 10 pounds if I moved here. The food has been delicious. Everything I've eaten has just been unbelievable. Kind of hard to be vegetarian. Almost everything comes with a meat of some sort, but if you're careful, you can sort of pick around it and figure out options. But yeah, it's been fantastic.
The water is so hot, almost boiling.
Huh.
It's crazy. So you're gonna see there, you have the principal geyser. It's behind the trees.
Oh, I can smell sulfur, huh? Yeah. Oh, there it is. El Geiser. So this place has now turned itself into a really cool hotel with the attraction of this natural geyser, and all the pools are hot water. So it's like you get a hot water sauna and a hotel room all in one.
a little hot. Not as hot as it's almost boiling.
Wow. Well, that natural geyser was pretty cool. Joel said that a lot of the locals go there at night. You know, they can get drinks at the bar and hang out in the pool and soak in apparently the hot water. You know, it's good for the skin. So it's a popular hangout. We are on our way to San Miguel de Allende. That was so nice of Joel to offer to lead me part of the way. Make sure I didn't get lost. You may have noticed yesterday in the videos there was a slight change in the landscape after we crossed over the Sierra Madre Mountains. We went from that lush green foliage on the eastern side, and of course all that rain that I was getting while I was over there, and now on this side it's a much more arid high plateau, the central Mexican plateau. More of a desert type of weather. It's a little bit hazy today. I smell smoke in the air. I don't know if we're getting the haze from some forest fire or what. It was a bit chilly this morning, and that's pretty common, I guess, to desert type weather. Chilly at night, and then it warms up during the day. It's about, I don't know, it started off about 65 degrees and it's probably about 70 right now, so it's just perfect riding weather. Not much traffic. On the road again, Trinity and I are having a ball. Today's a little bit shorter day, so that's nice, just a couple hours to San Miguel de Allende, and that'll be a nice change from yesterday's long, grueling day. Anyway, follow along. This is going to be Hey guys, just pulled over at this little cantina. I wanted to share with you a little update. It's frustrating news. I'm a little bit torn up about, but just wanted to let you know what was going on. I talked to Capi last night, and after 6 or so hours or more in the saddle yesterday, and I've been pushing it so hard, covering so many miles, I can see as much of this beautiful country as I can, and just getting worn down. As you know, riding a motorcycle takes a lot more effort than driving a car. Especially yesterday, going through the twisties, coming over the mountain. You know, you're hyper alert. Huge drop-offs on one side, cliff on the other side, cars coming at you around tight corners. You know, you're white knuckling it and super alert. For that period of time, it's fun, but it wears on you. And so I came to the conclusion that I need a rest day, and I'm not going to make it to the Santuario de la Mariposa Monarca. I know the monarch butterflies, the migration was one of the main purposes for this trip. But it's another 4 or so hours south from here, and then I have to turn around and come the same 4 hours back and then continue to stay on the schedule. And I just need a rest day. So talked it over with Capi, and now that we've made the decision, you know, I don't want to have an accident. I don't want to not enjoy myself. So I actually feel very relieved. It was a very difficult call to make, but the plan is we'll come back. Hopefully bring Capi with me, but and hopefully be able to stay longer than the day or whatever I was going to have with the butterflies. So I'm going to go to San Miguel de Allende instead, which is just a couple hours east of here, and then I'll be able to jump right back on my schedule and take a rest day in Zacatecas. So that's what's happening. I just wanted to pass that on to you guys and let you know I'm not going to be able to make it to the butterflies. I bit off a little more than I could chew. The schedule was really, really tight to begin with, and I think the length of days is getting to me. It was a little bit more than I'd planned for. So it's a learning curve for me, and I know for future trips now I'll plan a little bit shorter travel times between cities or more time in each city so I can recuperate and really enjoy the trip more. Anyway, it's unfortunate, it's sad, but again, I actually feel relieved now that we've made the decision. It means that I don't have to keep push. And we all know when you push too hard, that's when mistakes happen, that's when accidents happen. So I'm relieved. I'm going to be able to slow down and enjoy this a little bit better. Butterflies, be ready. I'm coming back. Anyway, on to San Miguel de Allende. This is cool. Approaching San Miguel de Allende, and there's a little light sprinkle going on. I'm not sure what that's all about. Hope the rain didn't follow me from the eastern coast. I love all the brick and cobblestone streets. If this was somewhere else in the world, they'd pave it over and put up a parking lot. Paved paradise. Hey everybody, I made it to San Miguel de Allende, and my friend Capi and his family are putting me up for the night. I gotta show you this really cool trike. Check that bad boy out. Is that cool or what? Maybe he'll let me take it for a spin tomorrow. Okay, hola! This is Capi, and you can help me, Marisa? Margarita? Magari. Habla. Oh, you have a patch. This is a patch from the motorcycle club. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. For me?
Pin para ti.
Wow.
El Capi.
El Capi.
Mi casco, cuernos.
Okay, very nice.
El casco.
El casco?
Sí.
Oh, he has a Viking cap.
Sí.
I put his cap on earlier for a photo, but he's giving me a pin which says Capi. Capi is what everybody knows him as in the club because he's Capitán. And so now I have a pin to go on my jacket with his name and the little helmet that he wears. Mucho gusto, amigo.
Estamos.
Gracias. So they were putting me up for the night, and they fed me such delicious food. It's a good cook. And we're gonna call that a night. End of the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and share it with everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.